Today was day 5 of our 6-day vacation in Belize with 5 kids. My husband and I took our 10-year-old Aiden and our nieces and nephews who are 13, 11, 10, and 8. We started off our morning with breakfast at Thong's Cafe, which is right on the beach. This is one of the best breakfasts that we had in Belize. After that, off we went to visit the butterfly farm. The kids learned about the life cycle of butterfly hands-on. They even got a chance to touch and hold the caterpillar and chrysalis. After that, we went into the butterfly conservatory. I put some sweet fruit on the kids' hands so they'd be able to attract butterflies, and it worked. The look on their faces was priceless. After that, we had lunch at Driftwood Beach Bar and Pizza Shack, which was right on the beach. We ate with our feet in the sand while listening to the soothing sounds of the ocean. After lunch, it was time for us to experience Garifuna culture. The Garifuna are descendants of an Afro-Indigenous population from the Caribbean island of St. Vincent, who eventually moved to Belize. As soon as they started drumming, the kids jumped on to dance with them. It was such a beautiful experience. After that, we went back to our hotel and spent some time swimming. And then we got ready for dinner. We had dinner at Ella's Cool Spot, which served yummy local cuisine. Highly recommended. And that was pretty much it for our day. Make sure to follow along to see what else we did on each day in Belize with the kids.